Quick tutorial in foliage. Bushes, trees, grass, whatever, any type of foliage. It's going to be a bunch of planes. We're going to do it with some pings. It can be one-sided, both-sided. As you can see, Lethal Company here, they're kind of doing it one-sided. Bunch of games do it. Great for performance, great for just simple stuff. Get it out the door. I think it looks great from far away. It looks great close up. Strafe Tat does it here. Strafe Tat, however you pronounce it. God!
No, no, no! No, leave me alone! Leave me alone!
Oh, did I? But yeah, we're gonna use Blender. Just super simple stuff. We'll import it into Unity, and yeah. First things first, make your PNG. Photoshop, Aseprite, doesn't matter. Make sure there's a transparent background. This one's 300 by 300 pixels, 2 colors. Next, go ahead and open up Blender, fresh project, create a plane with Shift A mesh plane. We've got one plane. Go over to materials on the right hand side, click new to create a new one. You can name this whatever you'd like. I'm naming it leaves. You can leave everything else as default for now. And then what we're going to do is click shading, and this is where we're going to import and link our leaves image to this mesh. Shift A texture, image texture. Go ahead and click image texture. It should bring you up a new little pop-up. Then go ahead and go find your PNG with the open icon. Browse to it, click it, open it. Your image should be loaded in now. Go ahead and drag from color on your image to base color on the principal BSDF, then alpha from your image to alpha on the principal BSDF. We're done here. Go back to the modeling tab, and that image is actually applied to your plane now. You can't see it quite yet, but it was already selected for that material that we created earlier. In order to see the rendered version, go ahead and click anywhere in the main window, Z, and then click rendered, and you should be able to see it. You'll see right now both sides of the plane are actually showing the image. If you just want one, either way is fine. You'll need to make sure that you check the camera on the back face culling over in the material tab on the right hand side. Last things to do in Blender is really just to model your foliage, your bush. What you're going to want to do is start duplicating that plane with Shift D, and then you can move it around with G, and then you can rotate it with R on the X, Y, and Z axes. You'll see I'm kind of going with a more chaotic bush situation here, like in the Lethal Company example. You can make yours a little bit more formal. It looks great with just two planes that are double-sided to make a tree, for example. Works with a bush too. You can even just use one plane if you want. Totally up to you. So just move stuff around however you'd like. Whenever you're done, just go ahead and save the project if you'd like, and then export it as an FBX file. And then we'll move on into importing that into Unity. All right, in your Unity project, go ahead and get your PNG in here, drag it wherever you'd like. Sprite 2D UI for texture type for me. Filter mode is going to be point no filter for me because it's pixel art. Make sure your sprite mode is single. That's all you need to touch here for your PNG. Go ahead and drag your FBX in whenever you've got it. We're going to extract the materials from this so that we can edit the material. By the way, you could have joined those meshes in Blender with Control J, I believe, if you'd like. So once you export those materials to whatever folder, I just put it in the same folder, you're going to select from that shader drop down, unlit transparent if you're just in the standard render pipeline, or I think it's URP transparent if you're in the universal render pipeline. Drag your PNG to that box in the inspector if it's not already there. Then you can go ahead and drag and drop your FBX into the scene, and you should be looking good. Quick little ugly scene view because I got some crazy color palette going on in this project, but you can see what we got going on here. Let me know how y'all do, if you have any questions, what you come up with, if there's a better way to do this. Thank you. Peace.